Good afternoon, everybody. So today's chief guest, Professor Jyoti Dhammo Prakash, is a very good friend of mine, and we were the former colleagues also in Bijapur University. So it is a great occasion that we have invited him, and he's a registered examination of the university, and he's a very humble man. To introduce him is I don't have all the data because he has a very big profile. He's a very humble and very lovable personality, and he has done his education in brilliant institutions, education institutions. So he had done his BPEd and MPEd from Gwalior University. Gwalior University is recognized as the best university for the sports education. So he has done both the degrees from Gwalior University, and he hails from a very reputed family. His father was Air Force employee. He worked in the Air Force, Indian Air Force, and he was the freedom fighter as well. His father was a freedom fighter, and he has many officers in his house. His brother is SP, and another brother is also DSP. So police department is in his family. And he also tried to become one of the officers in the police department. Therefore, he has done BPEd and MPEd. But accidentally or fortunately, he has chosen the teaching line, and he is with us now. And he has a very good family, small family. He married our student of Women's University, and she is also doctorate. And he has a house in Bijapur, but he belongs to Bidar. He is from Bidar, but now he is working in Bijapur University. Therefore, he has built a house in Bijapur. But one more thing I would like to tell about Professor Jyoti Dhammo Prakash is he was very closely associated with our department in Women's University when I was working as a professor in Women's University Bijapur. We had one OE paper, open elective, as we have here in our university also. So he was teaching the OE paper to our students. Many of our students were choosing that OE paper, yoga studies, because his English is very good. He talks better English than many English professors. So he is a brilliant English person. Therefore, many of our students were opting the yoga studies paper because Jyoti sir was teaching them. And we had a very good lab also. My memories, I worked there for 9.5 years in Women's University. So whenever I see the persons who come from Bijapur University, I am very much excited, and I am happy to introduce them. So I have not given biodata to this to any students today. I only wanted to introduce him. And he has a very short time because now all the results are declared, UG results, because we have to do PG admission. When we get UG results, we get the PG admission. Therefore, he is busy, very much busy. I requested him, and it's a great privilege that I am coming to your department, and he expressed his willingness and came today. I am very happy, and we are all very happy that we have invited Jyoti sir today, and he will speak, and after his speech he will go to his office. Please bear with me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So friends, as we have came to know that news and how is our chief guest of today's program. So let us just hear few words from him. I request chief guest of the event, Professor Jyoti Dhammo Prakash sir, to enlighten us with his
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am not getting response from my outgoing students.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected and beloved President of today's function, Professor Ramesh Thakur sir. One more dean and my good friend, Dr. Shivanand, other guest faculties, outgoing students, and the present students. For what reason Professor Ramesh sir has invited me? Yesterday when he called, I was a bit confused whether I am the right person to come for this particular farewell. And at the same time, sir, I don't know the availability because how the students will rush to the examination section, because as of today the verifications of n number of students those who have been appointed as the teachers, their document verification is going on. Then I said, and at 11:30 I received a call from Professor Ramesh sir. Sir, in another half an hour. I said, sir, okay. Then again he said, sir, another 10 minutes. When he called me, I started saying, sir, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. Sorry for delay. I think you all are waiting since morning. My dear students, somebody said, life is beautiful, enjoy it. But I don't know how many of us we are enjoying our life. The journey of life, as it starts from a womb to a tomb, we used to say. A learning takes place from the womb of a mother to the tomb. If you think only womb and tomb, I don't think so you are going to enjoy your life. Whatsoever the difficulties are there in your life, as they come, as they go. The waves will not remain forever on the seashore. The waves will come and the waves will go. Students will come and the students will go. And the department will remain here. My dear outgoing students, especially the students of the languages, I am having very closely associated with the English department. There are the two reasons are there. The first and the foremost reason, I was influenced by my English teacher in my school days, Mr. Shalvaraj. He used to teach a lesson. Still I remember in the NCERT books, there is one story is the sinking of Titanic in the NCERT Kendriya Vidyalaya school. And Muhammad Ali, when that particular teacher used to explain, physically we used to be in the class, but mentally we used to be in the boat. How the ship is sinking, the command over the language. And the second teacher is my physical education teacher, I.P. Kutti. He was a national representative. I think these two teachers have influenced me to make up my career. My dear outgoing students, the ball is in your court. As we said, the regional languages are very important to survive in a state. To survive at the global level, the English is important. Right, one I was saying, sir, over the knowledge and Kannada into both. Sir, knowledge ಇರಬೇಕು ನಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ if one is having the language he can survive anywhere. With the language one can acquire the knowledge. If you are having the knowledge and if you are not a good orienter, if you are not in a position to explain what you are having the ideas in your mind and the body, it's very difficult. If you want to express yourself, if you want to express your feelings, my dear students, we the Indians, I think we are lagging behind, especially in the English language. As the outgoing students, this is not the end of the career. Always I criticize the word farewell. Why we used to call it as a farewell? I don't know. It is the journey of an individual. It is the beginning of a new era in your life. You are completing your course here, but still ample of opportunities are waiting for you. Ample of aspirants or else the young students are waiting for you. You are supposed to be a model to others. When I joined Karnataka State Women's University, Professor Ramesh Rathod was my model. For why I am telling you, he is the head of the department, he is the director of SCST cell, he was the finance officer, the multiple roles. Generally, the language teachers, they don't accept the multiple roles. Only the physical education we used to accept. But having the talents, having the administrative qualities, that's very important. The youngsters, I think this first batch is the outgoing students, or the second one is the outgoing students. Okay, you all are the outgoing students. My dear friends, you are carrying a huge responsibility on your shoulders. Because it's a dream of every parent. Every literate parent as well as the illiterate parent. They want their child should speak. The child should speak, "Hi Papa, how are you?" Andre, I can be just so crucial. As a youngsters, you are the messengers to the society. Having a big hoarding in the markets will not affect. A one small teacher, he can impact the heart of young students. We can give a message. Because as a youngsters, you are not only the outgoing students, I think you all are the philosophers of this day. My colleague, my childhood friend, Mr. Vinay Kumar, is the product of this university. Presently, he is serving as an English professor in Shimoga University. I have not seen the dedicated student as if he used to sit in the library, morning till evening he used to complete one book. Then he used to come, oh, the conclusion is nothing. And he has written n number of books. My dear friends, develop certain good hobbies. You should have the passion for your career. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve in your life, you should passionately do it. You should feel proud of yourself first. If you start feeling proud of yourself, a society will feel proud of you. Then the parents are the richest person in the society. If you want to give something to your parents, if you want to achieve something in your life, you should get recognized by yourself, a society should recognize you, and the parents will get recognition of you. It's a dream project of parents that their children should achieve a greater heights in the society. This is not the end of the road, my dear youngsters, my dear philosophers. Please concentrate on the various competitive examinations. Concentrate on UGC, NET select examinations. Try to accumulate the weapons as many as you can. You should have all the qualifications, all the degree certificates, all the competitive. You should appear in all the examinations. Let it be SDA, FDA, or else the KPSC examination, UPSC examinations. Appearing in the examinations will not stop your career. But sitting and preparing for the examinations in a systematic and in a scientific approach, that's very, very important. If you don't have your vision, it's very difficult for you to achieve something in your life. You should focus. The aim and goal we used to say. There may be n number of aims, but the goal will be one. You should think of your aims, you should think of your goals. You should set an exemplary to your family and your society. My dear friends, thank you for this opportunity, for inviting me to be among this fair party. Special thanks to Professor Rathod sir. Really, it's a home away from or home for me, because always either the breakfast or lunch we used to have together in Bijapur. He left. Then he came here. When I came here, I am not in a position to have either tea, breakfast or lunch with him because of certain commitments in the examination. Really, I was blessed to be here, to be a part of this farewell party. My dear young philosophers, good luck. have a bright future. Thank you, the youngsters, for organizing this wonderful event for this final year student. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Felicitating our dean, I request Mr. Raghavendra to come up on the dais, come up on the stage and
అమ్మా
now I call upon Shantu to felicitate Dr. Raksan. I call upon Shivanand sir to get felicitated by our senior. I call upon Anjanaya to felicitate Mrs. Lakshmi ma'am. Kaushal. God goes up and down but never moves. Rain doesn't go up. It goes up and down but doesn't move.
It's serious.
Stairs. Which alphabet is the coolest one? Y. Y B. Okay. So now I call upon our senior Basamma to have opinion speech.
ऐश्वर्या थोड़ा ये पकड़ो मैं पानी पीती हूँ।
ಗುರುವೇ ತಾನೇ ಎಡರುವ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸರೋವರದತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುವ ಕರುನಾಡು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಗೂ ಈ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಅನುಭವ ಹೊಸ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂಗಣ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ಅವರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದೊಂದು ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಧಾಡ್ ಸರ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬಹಳ 1 ವೀಕ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು 1 ವೀಕ್ 50 ಡೇಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಕುತೂಹಲ, ರಾಠೋಡ್ ಸರ್ ಲಿಂಗ್ವಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂತ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಠೋಡ್ ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತು ದಿನ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು, ಬಹಳ ಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್. ಅವತ್ತು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೀನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲಿಂಗ್ವಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫೊನೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದವರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೊ ಆ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಠೋಡ್ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನವೀನ್ ಸರ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಪಾಠವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬಂದವರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹತ್ವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಮೃದು ಸ್ವಭಾವದವರು. ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ತರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜಗಳಾಟಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Now, thank you. Now I call upon Chandrakant to share his views.